Hey everybody, welcome to Sister Trent's Kitchen. On today's episode, we are making cereal pancakes. So I personally don't have a TikTok account to figure out where this all came from, how it came about, etc. However, I have been seeing it all over my Instagram and it's been hyped up where people are saying, oh, these are better than pancakes. But y'all, they are pancakes. They're just mini pancakes. But anyways, I'm not gonna question all of that. I do want to try it for myself. I do want to check out the hype. So if you are interested in trying this recipe out with me, stay tuned and let's get started. To get started, we're just going to use that good old Aunt Jemima mix or whatever pancake mix that you have at home. Most mixes have directions in the back of the box, so I am simply following the directions that were provided to me on the back of my box. Before trying this out myself, I saw a lot of videos where people made their pancakes from scratch, where they purchased the flour, the eggs, the buttermilk, etc. However, I'm on a budget. I am trying to save my coins. So for me, the cheapest and fastest way to do it was to just purchase a box of pre-made mix and add either water or milk. This is not going to be shown in this video. However, after giving it a nice mix, I did allow it to sit for like a minute or two. And just because I'm extra, I'm going to go ahead and add in some nutmeg and cinnamon. To naturally sweeten your batter, I would add in about a teaspoon of maple syrup or whatever syrup or sweetener that you have at home. And just because I wasn't done yet, I went ahead and added in some vanilla. You don't need a lot of vanilla. I would simply add in about half a teaspoon at max. And we're going to give it a nice mix just to combine everything together. So because I am making these mini pancakes, I am transferring my batter into a decorative pipe bag. However, if you don't have a pipe bag at home, what you could use is a Ziploc bag and it will get the job done. Once it's in the pipe bag or Ziploc bag, whatever you use, cut a small hole at the bottom so that the mixture could squeeze out once you take it to the stove. Now to make these mini pancakes, what you're going to do is heat a skillet up and melt in some salted butter. Once your butter melts, you are going to pipe in your batter and determine the size of your pancakes. And that is it. So because I've never garnished my pancakes with milk, I won't start now. Therefore, I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon, some powdered sugar, and top it off with some maple syrup and give you my feedback on this recipe. So it's time to taste this. Just check out all the hype. I'm gonna have to go for a second bite. So this is my honest feedback. It's good, don't get me wrong, it's good. But I think this is one of those situations where we have a lot of times in our hand. I know with COVID going on, the coronavirus, everybody's in the house, social isolating, quarantine, etc. Because we have a lot of time, we gas things up, and this is actually one of those. Don't get me wrong, this is really good, but it's just like pancakes, and I like pancakes. and I think pancakes are really good. So this is really good. All right, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thank you.